Hi, I went on Amazon and I bought some things that I may or may not have already. Some things that I enjoy that I just need more of because you never know. I have yet to use this Pro Easy Peel Remover. This is from Ahora. I found it on Amazon. This is not sponsored, by the way. I was curious to see what it's about. Acetone could be a little drying, and also it's not really recommended to be on your hands or skin that often. So let's see if we can find some information on ingredients here. Unfortunately, I can't read that. It's Korean. We're gonna just take its word for it that it's a mild formulation and nothing crazy. Let's see what it smells like. It's not open, hold on. Oh, it smells pretty. I don't know what that smell is, but it's definitely not acetone smelling. So it could have some fragrance. So I'm kind of interested in this to remove gel polish. I'll definitely use this on myself before I use it on anyone else. And it comes with a dropper tool. Yep. So then we just pop that in, twist it. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that in a bit. Let's carry on. Then we have this chrome I found on Amazon as well. Since I've been seeing all these cute Aurora nails, a lot of people have been saying that their chromes are really giving like a green shine to them. And I think it's just the type you get. So this one's kind of giving a blue. This one's giving more of like a green undertone. Then this one's more like a pink. And then this one's just your flat out like silvery milky white shine. I'm excited to use these. These are really cute. Let me open it and see how much I'm actually getting inside of here. You know, it's a little messy, so prepare for, ooh. So this is definitely on my Amazon storefront. Everything I list here will be in case you're interested in it. Then this is something that I used ever since I first started doing acrylic nails. I just absolutely love this brush. Not crazy expensive. It is fairly thin, but I enjoy it. It comes with this little tool. You could use this to clean it, to like prep it for use. But again, this is a CAD's Kolinsky brush in a size 10. But it's not like super fat. Also, you can customize like how short or how long you want it. It's just for like balance when it's on your hand. It just depends. Some people like it like that. Some, you know, it's just really up to you. But yeah, so you could use this to kind of like flick off all the little liquid that's used to kind of keep its shape. But I really don't do more than what I need to for something like this. To prep my brush, I'll just go ahead and take my time to clean out as much as possible and then dip it in monomer. Don't dip it in acetone because then you'll just really mess up the hairs. Now this isn't like super high quality, but it's really good, especially for beginners and if you want a lot of control with your acrylic. Because when I first started out, I would waste so much monomer and I just love a crimped brush. So this is definitely one of my favorite brushes to use, especially if you're new or you just don't need like ginormous blobs of acrylic. I love this brush. So let me show you what it looks like when it's in monomer. It's pretty thin, but I just love a nice crimped brush. You do have to be careful though with the handle because this is plastic. So if you get monomer on it or acetone, it will pretty much get stuck. I really like this brush. Oh, I just got glitter all over it from the chrome powder. Next up are these dotting tools. I didn't know it was gonna come with a bag, so this is cute. I like the bag. They're just plain white dotting tools, you know, for content. Keep it cute, keep it simple, keep it, you know, minimalistic or whatever. yeah, that way I have little dotting tools and stuff, because I can't find mine after going to nail school. I don't know what I did with them. So it was time just to use some cute basic white ones for content and stuff like that. I'm not really sure what this is. Let's see. Shiny cat eye. Oh, okay. This is a cat eye polish. Oh yeah, I have this also on my Amazon storefront. This is cute. It's just a kind of like a rainbowy shine to it, which is really nice. And you can customize these as much as you like, especially if you have a jelly polish set. Feel free to experiment and put any color of jelly polish on top of this, and you can customize it to look even better, and everyone will ask you, where'd you get that? But really it's just this polish with different you know, gel polish on top. The bottle looked a lot cuter online. I was expecting, like, I don't know, like a blush glass kind of bottle, but it's still cute. It's still cute. And then it just comes with its magnet here. Next up, oh, these are cuticle scissors. It's time for me to get more comfortable with some cuticle scissors. I got them in gold, of course. They're not as fine as I expected them to be here. I kind of like them a little thinner. There are some that are much thinner. I'm gonna try them, but they kind of feel a little funky, so I don't know. But like I said, I've never tried these before. They look pretty. I think the fact that they were gold kind of like, ooh, you know, gave it a little more of a chic vibe. But I'm gonna go ahead and try them. So don't take my word for it yet. I don't know if they're any good yet. Yeah, there are some with the tip that are a lot thinner, but I definitely want to practice using cuticle scissors because I just saw how beautiful the cuticle work looks after using these. So I'm gonna have to try these first. And then last but not least, we have drill bits. So I just had to buy these again because, you know, you should be replacing them very often if you use them a lot. Also, I lost a lot of them after going to nail school. I probably left some behind, but I definitely want to get better with my Russian manicures. And yeah, I love the ball bits. And then these definitely get right into the little tiny spaces that you can't. From the looks of it, if these are like high quality, I doubt these are super high quality, you know, but I would only use these on myself to kind of practice and get better before I go in on a client and really, like, you know, get up in their cuticle and everything else. So this doesn't really look like it's got much like abrasiveness there. I mean, it's fine, but it's also not. So, but yeah, so I really like this one. This one's pretty good. I just had to replenish these for me so I can really get a nice clean cuticle area. But I really love these cuticle ball bits. And if you're interested, they're on Amazon. But yeah, that's what I got, and I'm gonna go ahead and play with them. Let me know if you guys want to see any more Amazon hauls, because I honestly, I love to shop on Amazon and I have a problem, but don't tell anybody.